I've made, just in the last 6 months, I've probably made a couple of 100 pom-poms. Easily. And I could easily have made more if I didn't have other things in my life, like eating and sleeping. I could make pom-poms 24 hours a day. I love making pom-poms because they are fun, they're easy, they're relatively fast, and they make people happy. I've never seen a person frown when they get a pom-pom, whether it's in a bouquet or it's a happy face, or if they're strung in a tree or on a bicycle seat. They seem to make people smile, and they're simple. Anybody can do them with. You just need wool and scissors, basically. You don't even need a pom-pom maker. You can make them with your hands, a fork, cardboard. So they're really the perfect craft. And it's a great stress reliever, because not only are you snipping away and trimming, you're creating something, and you didn't have to spend a lot of time doing it. Say if you only have 10 minutes and you just want to make a little something, it's doable.